I guess here 5 plus 6 is 11 times here 3 square minus 5 in bracket. Here 11 times here 3 square is 9 minus 5 in bracket. Here 11 times 9 minus 5 is 4. Here 11 times 4 is 44 is the wrong answer. Here as per this order of operation, this 44 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication and division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations, PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 5 plus 6 times. Here, inside the bracket, we have two operations. One is the exponent, other one is subtraction. Here, exponent is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this exponent before this subtraction. So, exponent here is 3 square is 9 minus 5 in bracket. Here, 5 plus 6 times. Here, 9 minus 5 is 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 5 plus 6 times 4 is 24. Here 5 plus 24 is 29 is the correct answer.